Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have an absolutely gorgeous fall collection from Glisten Glow to share. This is their limited edition Fall Holos collection, and it's going to be available tomorrow, Friday, September 17th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This collection consists of 4 holographic polishes, and they're going to be available on the Glisten Glow website, which I'll link down below. The price for all 4 is $40, or you could get each individual polish for $11.50. Just keep in mind this is a limited edition collection, so once they sell out, they're not going to be restocked. So let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first polish is called Fall Holos, which is described as a tomato red holo polish with added holo microflakes. So this one had such a good formula. I would even maybe consider this one a 1 coater depending on how thick or thin you apply it, but I feel like if I was in a pinch and only had time to apply 1 coat, I wouldn't really be able to tell a difference between 1 and 2 coats. And for all of my swatches, I'm going to be applying 1 coat of Glisten Glow's top coat on top. So here are 2 coats of Fall Holos. The second shade in this collection is called Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice, and it's described as a burnt orange holo polish with added holo microflakes. A little fun fact is that I've never actually tried anything pumpkin spice flavored before, but this orange holo polish makes me so excited for the fall. I love wearing these burnt orange shades in the fall time. This polish, I did feel like I needed that second coat to hide my nail line, and again I applied 1 coat of Glisten Glow's top coat. So here are 2 coats of Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. Up next is For the Love of Gourd, which is described as a harvest yellow holo polish with added holo microflakes. This polish was so gorgeous. It was a tad more sheer than the last 2. My nails were longer when I swatched these polishes, and my nail line was a little more prominent, so I did need 3 coats in order to reach full opacity, but if your nails are shorter or if you have a less prominent smile line, I think you could totally get away with 2 coats. So here are 3 coats of For the Love of Gourd. And last but not least is Leave Me Alone, which is described as a medium green holo polish with added holo microflakes. I'd say this shade is very similar to a peridot green, and again it's got that really nice formula with that beautiful holographic finish just like all the other polishes in the collection. And even though it is a fall collection, I feel like these holos could be worn any time of the year, so if you're interested in these holos, be sure to get them before they sell out. So here are 2 coats of Leave Me Alone. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 4 polishes from the Glisten Glow's Fall Holos collection. Again, this collection is going to be releasing tomorrow, September 17th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They're going to be available on the Glisten Glow website, which I'll leave linked in the description box below. And if you want to see some of my other Glisten Glow swatches, I'll also leave a link to the playlist of my other Glisten Glow videos at the end of the video and in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so please subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!